Okay guys, we've got 3 of the 4 sides up already. We're going to show you real quick how we're doing this. We kind of got a little science to it. So Patty's going to back up. We unrolled it right along the front part of the greenhouse. So we've got equal sides on both sides. Patty's going to hold that side. Chloe's going to hold this side, and I'm going to stand here in the middle. And they're going to reach up. I'm going to pull it over, and I'm going to pull it over about a foot. And by eyeballing a foot over all the way down kind of gets it in the middle, because you want to have this film kind of straight, so when you do your sides and pull, you eliminate a lot of wrinkles right away. So that's what we're doing. We're going to put 3 wiggle wires up on top first, the center, and then 1 to the right and 1 to the left. At the same time, we're all pulling and straightening out wrinkles. And then we're going to go straight to the ground. We're going to pull tight, and Patty's going to pull to the side. We're going to do one end first. Patty's going to pull to the side. Claire's going to be right in front of me, and he's going to put his hands on the bottom of the film to pull down, and with his other hand he's going to slide his hand in the groove where I'm putting the wiggle wire just ahead of me. And that should, as we're going, we'll see the wrinkles, and we can see which way we got to pull, either to the right or to the left. And when we finish, it should be just a straight sheet, look real nice. So this is where we're going. All right. Okay, we need a line monitor.
Either Cody needs to go down or I need to go up.
Now look at it.
No.
That's great, yeah. You can name it season 1, season 2, until we keep going.
Wait a minute. No, we're getting a bunch of stuff going on.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're getting another storm.
Yeah.
This could snow by
Tonight.
No.
How's it look in the front, Patty?
Okay.
Which way you got to pull down?
No, wait a minute.
No. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, go.
Okay, someone else got it. Yeah, one's got to pull sideways. Water's coming down. Look good there?
Yeah.
Pull down. That wire's poking, making a hole right here.
Then cut some of the wire off.
This one right here.
Here. Want Cody to cut it while you hold it?
Ah,
Never mind, he'll cut your finger off.
that's not gonna work too good with that poking that way.
Nope, it's not.
Hold that screwdriver right there, Cody. Okay.
Hey, we got air conditioning right there.
Okay, let's go. Roll.
Behind your foot.
All right. All right, Cody, somebody. Just straight places. Yeah, pull down. No, pull up then. Yeah, there you go. So where the post that comes out of the ground meets the actual rib where it's tied in, it's a little sharp. It could be if the wind was rattling a little bit. So what we did on our last one is we took rags, we kind of squared them up, and we wrapped them around the whole inside of the posts so that the post is on the inside and the film is on the outside of the rag. So if the wind blows, it's not going to create a little friction and create a little hole. So just a little pre-maintenance thing that we figured out, and it might not look you know, beautiful, but it works.
And the next thing I need to do is I need to trim all of this excess film off. So I'm gonna leave about a foot. I just want to get the majority of it off, and then I can go back later and I can make the trim look really nice, okay?
Yep.
So if you can set the ladder up for me in there, I will get busy trimming and you can get busy tying.
Okay, start taking this film, get it on a roll, straighten out, and roll it up.
Hey everyone, well, we made it through another day. We have all 4 of the end walls put up on both of these beautiful greenhouses. They're really tight and secure. I couldn't be more happier. We went from 77 degrees yesterday to 50 degrees today, so
We're cold.
that it's a little cold out, but I'm still itching to get my seeds started. I know it's still a little early, but I think I can get to that point. I'm itching to get stuff planted. So can we move on this a little faster, mister?
Oh, I don't know. I got on my back. I need a
Yeah.
couple days to
Yeah.
sit down, watch some TV.
Yeah, go fishing, do some
Go
stuff.
fishing.
Yeah, but tomorrow's going to be another just kind of a touch-up day. I'm going to finish trimming the plastic around. I just wanted to get the big bulky stuff off so that Cody could get it rolled up, and we're going to save it. Yeah, I'm going to trim that off to about 6 to 8 inches just to make it look neat and tidy.
Put more rags on the posts all the way around where they connect, because we do get a little bit of wind out here. We've learned from our last one that we get friction, and that's what starts the little tiny holes. So that's going to be tomorrow's going to be a touch-up day, and then boom, top.
Yeah, I'm excited. Get the top on and get those roll-ups put on, and then we get to go start getting the beds ready. So I hope by this time next week I'm planting.
Yeah, it's only mid-February.
It's almost end of February.
Oh, okay, okay.
1st of March 2023. So thanks for following us along on this journey, and we hope you like the videos. If you do, hit that subscribe button and the bell so that you'll know when I upload the next video on the progress of our greenhouses and just getting our homestead up and going.
Yep. All right, guys, don't forget to check out all of our videos, our fishing videos. So they're all coming up. Enjoy this, and we'll see you later.